In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can easily copy color grading from one video to another video in Adobe Premiere Pro. But first, make sure you have both videos in your timeline, the one you want to copy the color grading from and the one you want to copy the color grading to. So first, select the one you want to copy the color grading to, and then go to Lumetri Color, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then select Lumetri Color here. And in Lumetri Color, we're going to choose the color wheels and match. The color wheels and match, it gives you the option comparison view. And when I click this, I can see both videos next to each other. Make sure your timeline scrubber is on the video you want to copy it to, because if it's here, you just get the same video twice. So with the timeline scrubber on the video you want to copy it to and that video selected, we're now going to click Apply Match. And as you can see, now it has applied our color grading from the first video to our second video. You can even adjust the shadows, midtones and highlights. And if you want to get out of this comparison view, just click comparison view again, and now you're back to your normal video. And as I said, you can tweak the shadows and the highlights and the midtones to your liking. And that's how you can easily copy the color grading from one video to another video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.